There are many other approaches that are useful in security. To really achieve security, you need more depth and breadth than is present in these lectures, but I can talk about some of the other areas just so that you're aware of them. One is intrusion detection. This is when your system detects abnormal patterns of system operation as a way to determine if it's under attack. An issue with intrusion detection is that sometimes things are abnormal because the system is acting in a way that is unusual or operating in an unusual environment. So intrusion detection usually just tells you something's different, which might or might not be an attack. False positives are expensive, and so that means you may spend a lot of money sifting through, well, yeah, it was different, but not an attack. However, if you run a system that's in a fairly stable environment and you see a huge change in behavior, that often does mean an attack. So intrusion detection is a useful tool among many others for achieving security. Another approach is to monitor so-called black hat sites. These are websites that sell, trade, or otherwise expose information about attacking systems, including potentially your own. What you can do is monitor or hire a service that monitors these sites to look for published exploits against your product so that you can understand what's going on and what attacks are taking place simply by listening to what the attackers are saying to each other. In some cases, it's worthwhile to deploy a so-called honeypot system. This is a system that looks to the external world like one of your systems, but is being carefully monitored by your security team to see who breaks in. That can give you an idea of the attack methods and also the aggressiveness with which people are targeting your systems for attack. Finally, you can pay bug bounties. This is a cash payment you make to anyone who reports a security vulnerability against your system. Realize that you're in a marketplace where somebody who finds a vulnerability in your system has found something that has inherent value. They can either sell it to you or sell it to the bad guys. There are specific protocols and culture behind this which you have to learn, but the idea is that if somebody finds a vulnerability in your system and potentially develops an exploit, they'll sell it to you, the manufacturer, and not to the bad guys, giving you time to fix it before the bad guys have a chance to attack your system using this knowledge.